Hi, I'm Donna Barnes. In this clip, I want to tell you that now is the best time of the year to get online. So if you've never tried it before, or you've tried it and you're frustrated with who's been on there and that you haven't really found anybody, there's probably going to be a whole lot of new people joining, because from December through February is the most popular time of the year that people join dating sites, and especially just after the first of the year. So make sure that if you've been on for a while, maybe you just want to retweak your profile a little bit, and taking new pictures. If you don't have good pictures, it really is worth it to get a professional picture taken. In fact, actually, if you go to datingheadshots.com and use the promo code DonnaBarnes10, the number 10, 10, then you can get 10% off. And it's not very expensive, and it really is worth it to get at least like your main shot as a professional shot that doesn't look overly done. It's not a glamour shot. It's really, it's you. And I think professional photographers know how to capture you in a natural way, but at your best. Because I've seen it where people have had their profile picture, and it just, I make over so many people's profiles, and they just don't do themselves justice with the picture that is the main picture. Either because they're not smiling, or you can't really see who they are, or they think they're being funny with some strange picture, but then people are just like, I can't see you. Like, I think you're hiding something if I can't see you. So make sure that you have a clear, well-lit, smiling picture that just shows you casual, natural, as you are. And I think you'll find lots of people that might have passed you over before will now all of a sudden be going, oh, who's that? And they won't even realize that they saw you before. So if you've been online and you're not getting good results, freshen your pictures, freshen up your profile a little bit. Less is more. Don't write a big long book, just write a few lines. The basics: who are you? What is it that you're looking for? And I think having a great picture is absolutely the way to meet someone new, and now is the perfect time, because there'll be a whole bunch of new people getting online, probably because their New Year's resolution is to meet someone new. So maybe it'll be you.